Hey everybody, it's Bernie with Raw Custom Designs, aka Raw 96SS. So I finally got the rims on yesterday, Sunday. And the only reason it took so long is because before I put these nice rims on, I wanted to make sure the brakes behind it was all set. So crossed and slotted, drilled rotors, new calipers, and there's a red brake line also braided. And new brake lines along the back. They're 10 inches wide, 20 by 10s. Same with the, also did the fronts, 20 by 9.5s. Cross drilled, slotted rotors, and also new calipers. Also brake lines on these too. Can't really see it. There you can. Red lines back there, and brake lines under the hood too. So, yep, different color hood. Came off my Caprice. But she goes. Let me know what you guys think. I love them. I saw these rims and I said I gotta have those. So big 5-star fan, and in fact they're split with red highlights. It's just exactly what I was looking for. And the 10 inches wide looks mean from behind. Thanks for looking. Check out Raw Custom Designs, Raw 96SS, all on Instagram. Also check out my YouTube and Facebook. Also Snapchat and TikTok. Thanks for tuning in. See you later.